Hey guys, Johnny here, and today I'm gonna be doing a transmission oil fluid change real quick. You can see I have my bolt right here. I already cracked it loose, but I'm just starting this video a little late. Anyways, as you saw in my last video, I'm thinking most likely this transmission's going out, so I'm gonna see if I could, maybe save it with doing a fluid change. As far as I know, it does not have a filter, or it has an internal filter that you have to do like a complete flush on it to clean. You can't exactly replace it. And right here is the shift solenoid. And yeah. And the auto parts store said I needed 2 quarts, or not 2 quarts, 3 quarts. And a crush washer. I gotta find that real quick because I forgot where I put it. Like an idiot. Hopefully just in my pocket. But yeah, this is just I forgot what size, but you just use this end, 3/8, there we go, 3/8 end, and just undo it like that. So let me undo this real quick and then I'll show you guys the fluid flow. All right, bolt about to come out. This is super easy. Be a fast job. There it goes. Oh man, you can see how dirty this is too. Watch all that transmission fluid come out. Have the dipstick out of the top too, so I guess that's a better flow for it. Yes, I'm just gonna let that drain out until it's dripping just slightly. So I'll be back when that's done. I'm gonna clean this off real quick. Alright, so I got this cleaned off, and as you can see, when all the dirt was on there, it was like as thick as a thread, so you guys should see that in the previous scene. But anyways, this is almost done draining out. I'm gonna put the crush washer on it when I find it, then clean that off first before I put it on, then I'll start filling it back up again. This is super easy automatic transmission change, and yeah, I just need to throw those in. I need to get a funnel real quick, put it up here, right down there. See the hole right there? Yeah, just right there. That's where the dipstick is. Alright guys, so here's the crush washer. See, it fits on there basically like perfectly. As I wipe that off, it's still dripping a little bit, but I'm just gonna throw this back in real quick. Okay. Okay, that's as tight as I can get it with hand tighten. Not gonna use a tool. Tighten it up real quick. When I looked up the torque specs on this drain bolt, I was seeing like 29 foot-pounds, but I'm gonna just do it with strength because I don't have a torque wrench exactly. See, this is my torque wrench basically. Alright, that should be good. Alright guys, so I got that on there, snug. I'm gonna put my first quart in, takes 3 quarts. I have my funnel right here. I barely got enough room, so we don't drop it. See if we can make that in there. And this is a tight spot, so I'm just gonna take it slow. Look how pink or red that is. Looks so clean. I really hope this helps my transmission. There's the first one. There's the second one. Here's the third one. So after this, we'll be done. Alright guys, so I'm checking the dipstick for, see where it's full. And it is right at the full line for cool. So that's perfect. We're done with this. Just throw it back in. Kind of hard to get through because all the wires and stuff you have to go through. Alright, anyways, I am done doing this. So if you like the video, just, share, and subscribe. That'd be great. And have a good rest of the day. But I won't be posting this for about 2 weeks from now. So I'm gonna drive this, then in the description when I post it, I'll let you guys know how it's been doing. And yeah, this is taken right after my last video. So the next day after. Alright. Have a good day.